Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use AirJam's calendar component to create calendar-based features to your website or web services within minutes. Okay, AirJam's calendar component uses Google Calendar as the data source, so you can have the rest of your team manage their operations simply using Google Calendar. Okay, so let's get started. First, either sign in or sign up to your Google AirJam account using your Google ID. Okay. Now grant Google or AirJam permission to read your calendar. Okay. Now then you can go to the Google the calendar components console. Here you can see I already have some components I already made, but you can easily add new ones simply by using this button down below. Alright, give this component some meaningful title and some meaningful descriptions as well. Here you can see that AirJam already syncs with your Google Calendar account, so you can simply choose the calendar you want to use as the data source for your component. In this case, I chose this calendar, and once you click submit, it creates your new calendar component, and that's it. From the first tab here, you can see that you can change and update the information that you just added for your component, and you can also change the calendar that you want to use as a data source as well. On the next tab, you can find some monitoring graphs already built into your components by default. On the last tab, you'll find instructions on how to add the calendar component to your project. It goes from setups and to usage, and some props and callbacks that you can use as well. Alright, so let's try adding the calendar component to your React project. Here I already have a vanilla React project created using the npx script, and here's the code for it. Let's try adding the calendar component here. So first, use the either npm command or the yarn command to add the component to your project. I already did this, so I'm not going to do it, but it really depends on whether your project uses the npm command or yarn command. So choose one and run this command. Once you do that, you can import the new component using this line here. And all you have to do is to copy this line and paste it wherever you want to show your new calendar. And reload. And here's your new calendar. You can set this calendar to a specific date. In this case, I'm going to use this specific example here that I already created. Also, you can set the specific view type for the calendar. Also, one more thing, there is a pre-built style that comes with the components. So you can use that to take advantage of the pre-built styles. And please note, all the AirJam's components, including the calendar component, you can override the styles using your own CSS styling to style the components as you see fit. So here you can see that a specific date is selected and specific view type is selected as well. So you can use this component, and that's it. It creates that. Let's do another example. So let's say you're building a schedule page for an event, and your event looks like this. It's really messy, and all you want to do is to group and show all your events to a group them by their location. And luckily, AirJam comes with a location, a view type that groups events by their location as well. I already have an example, so I'm just going to copy and paste this. So in this example, I've selected the view as a location, and I've selected a specific date, which is the date when my event is being held at. And so I load this and reload, and there you go. So each of the locations are grouped, and you can see the events as they're shown in a calendar format. Yeah, and that's it. All the features that I've shown you today are all free features that you can use. So feel free to enjoy and incorporate this to your project. Please let us know if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.